Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is good to be back. Finally, after a few weeks, I took a break from YouTube, from filming and editing, and in the process, I did get a haircut. I went on vacation. If you notice, I did post a new travel vlog where my family and I went to Boracay, and I also bought a few bags. One of them was a gift from the brand, and yeah, I'm very happy to reveal them to you. I'm very happy to show them to you because these bags have been on my wish list for a very long time. I'm very excited to finally cross them off my wish list. I think they are functional and beautiful, and they are all pre-loved except for the one that was a gift from the brand, of course. And yeah, I'm very excited to show them to you. Okay, so the first bag that I wanted to show you is the Louis Vuitton Monceau shoulder bag. It looks like a briefcase, and it is, of course, vintage. I think this is from the late 80s, early 90s, and I got it in the most perfect condition. The person who sold this to me in Carousell said that it was a gift by an aunt, and I don't think she wanted it. She didn't find a use for the bag, and so she sold it, and I was happy to snap this up and buy it from her. So this bag totally reminds me of the Pochette Métis, the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. And if you can remember from 2018, that was my gift for myself on my birthday. And I did end up getting it in the empreinte leather in the color noir or black. And I was choosing between the monogram print and the empreinte leather. And I ended up with the empreinte leather and the black color, but the monogram was always stuck in my mind. But then there were so many things that hindered me or stopped me from buying it, because of course I didn't want to have two of the same style bags. That's number one. And the second is, I know for a fact that there have been many returns for this specific model of bag in the monogram print, and there's so many quality control issues when it came to that bag. And so I decided to go vintage, and I found this one, and this looks similar, has a similar look to the Pochette Métis. And I really love it. It looks so vintage and it looks so cool. It's like a mini briefcase, but not really. It's not really that huge. I mean, you can't really put documents inside. But yeah, I love the fact that it's vintage, and I love the fact that the hardware is actually very shiny and still new. I mean, there are a few scratches here and there, but the person who owned this bag really took care of the bag, or probably left it in the closet for a long time unused. And yeah, I was able to get this for a really good price. I know I say that about all the bags that I buy, but this was a really good price for what I got it for. I mean, it's a vintage bag, and it's incomparable to the Pochette Métis, of course. It was something like 28,000 for a bag like this, and it's in really great condition. Actually, this looks better in person than it does in pictures. And when I chose this bag from the photos that weren't very good, I was expecting to be underwhelmed, to be honest. But when I saw the bag, I got heart eyes when I saw this bag, and it's just so pretty. And yeah, it is actually very functional as well. If you open the bag, of course the lock still works very well. Just click this and it opens, and inside I have it stuffed. It did get a little bit deformed when I got it, so I put a towel inside for it to keep its shape. And inside I put the strap. You can add the strap to it, and of course the dust bag. And if you notice, the dust bag is the old style LV. And inside there are two compartments. Inside is made of this like grained, I think it is leather, and it has the Louis Vuitton logo here. We have a zipped compartment, and inside I have the key. And inside the zipper we have like a fabric inside in a brown color. And the inside is still immaculate. Like, there are no spills, there are no stains on it. It isn't peeling, because I have seen some in the pre-love market, and the inside part was sticky or peeling, and this one does not have any of those issues. And I'm just so happy to get this in this great condition. And it has this extra pocket where you can put your phone, and it's pretty spacious as well. Like, I can totally put my phone in here, and yeah, I really love that. There's no zip part or compartment in the back, But I really don't mind that. Like, I guess I just have to open it like this and use the lock a little bit more. But I love the shape, I love the design, and I love the fact that it's vintage. It looks so cool. I think this would be perfect for traveling. I can wear it with the shoulder strap, or I can wear it crossbody, and I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you. So it comes with the strap in the same brown leather as the handle, and it has these two clips where you can put the strap, and it says LV in each of the tabs. I have wanted this bag for a while now, and I was just so happy to find it. I did not have to go through my usual route, which is Fashionphile. I found it through Carousell, and I think now is really the perfect time to buy in Carousell because a lot of people are selling their stuff. They're selling all the extra stuff that they don't need. And for me, it's the perfect time to buy because we have a lot of options and the prices aren't so steep. This is the cutest bag. So yeah, let me show you the strap. So you can totally wear it like this. The shoulder strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to make it shorter or longer. So this is already at its shortest. I put it in the last hole, which makes this the shortest option. And it works well for me. I can also use it crossbody like this. The bag, of course, is very lightweight. It is, of course, made of Monogram canvas, and that makes it super lightweight. And since this bag is from the late 80s, early 90s, this bag is pretty much indestructible. It is in great condition, and I'm happy. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. It is such a classic, and it looks so cool and vintage, and I really love the vibe of this bag. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. On to the next bag. Okay, so the next bag that I'm going to reveal is this Prada Cutie. I really love this bag. I saw this bag for the first time when I went to Italy. This is called the re-edition 2005, and I initially wanted the one with the longer strap and the extra pouch. And of course, you guys know that I got that bag in the color black. But I was torn between the two, between the black and the beige. Although I did get the black, and I do use the black a lot. And these past 2 years, I did think about this bag a lot, and there's just something about this bag that I love. It's just so simple and easy to use, and the color is just so neutral. It's a neutral color that goes with most of my clothes in my closet, and it's just so easy. Like, you don't really need to think about it. It's just an easy bag. I did find this in Carousell as well. The person who owned it bought it in Japan and did not use it, and she's like, I just want to get rid of it, and she gave it at a price that was a bit lower than the price that I saw it in Italy when I saw this in 2019, and that was a go for me. I got it immediately. I got it in a perfect condition. There are no spills, there are no stains at all, no sign of usage actually. Just like the Louis Vuitton bag that I showed you, the pictures of these were not as great, so I was expecting the worst really, and when I got it, I was just so happy. I was so excited when I got this that I used it for the first event that came up before the lockdown, of course, before the whole ECQ happened. And I used it right away, and it was so comfortable, and it fits so much. It fits my wallet, it fits my phone, it fits a lot more than you'd think that this is too small. You can fit a lot of things in here, especially if you use a card holder. This came complete with the authenticity card, the care card, and the authenticity card came with the bag as well as the dust bag. So I know that it's really authentic. I really love this bag. It fits so much inside. This looks so cool and so 90s. It's so comfortable to use. It's so lightweight. And I don't really need to think about so much when I'm using this. Even if you wear a sweatsuit, like sweatpants and a sweatshirt, it looks so cool. And yeah, I'm so happy that I got this. And last but not the least, we have this bag from Loewe, and that is called the Ikebana crossbody bag in the color tan. It is the same color as my Loewe puzzle bag, and I really love this bag. It is such a cutie, and I really love using this bag. If you notice, the leather is just beautiful. It is just so gorgeous. It comes in this smooth leather, but all the trimmings come in like a shinier leather. So it's a nice contrast. Of course, it's the same color, but this is shiny and this is like matte. There are no scratches yet. I don't intend to put scratches on it. I really take care of this bag as much as I can. Like, this stays close to me whenever I'm using it. And even when I put it down, I really take care of this bag. This bag was a gift from Loewe to me. I did an engagement for Loewe and this was their gift to me, and it is just so cute. And the strap does curl a little bit because I did store it that way. But yeah, whenever I use it, the strap straightens out. So inside, we just have this magnetic clasp, and actually the magnet is pretty strong, but there is no zipper. And because the bag is a crossbody mini, this stays close to you. It is such a cute bag. The inside has this fabric and this part sticks out. That is the design of the bag, and it has like this lace up style on the sides. So that is basically the design of it, and it has like this strap that goes in as well. Goes in under, and underneath it's just all smooth leather. The style is very simple, but yeah, it's just very well made. And I love that it's rigid, and I love that it has structure to it. The mini size really allows you to bring just the essentials, just what you need, and yeah, it just stays close to me whenever I use this. I'm very happy to reveal these 3 bags to you guys, and I'm hoping to do a bag review on each one of these. Just let me know in the comment section below which one or which ones you would like to see a bag review on. And yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I hope you like these 3 new bags that I've added to my collection. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. That's it for me, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.